Hey guys, welcome to Tech Halt. So let's continue learning HTML class 3. For creating a web page, you need a text editor. When you start learning HTML, you can start with a simple text editor like Notepad if you are working on Windows or TextEdit if you are working on Mac. And once you learn HTML, you can use any professional HTML editor where you can create or modify web pages. So we'll be using Notepad for now as you have just started learning HTML. So start typing. The first line, doctype HTML. Next is HTML tag. Starts over here and ends over here. Remember that HTML is not case sensitive, so you can write down either in uppercase or in lowercase as you wish, but it is usually recommended to write down in lowercase. So whatever tags we are writing, we'll be writing down in lowercase letters. Write down the next tag, that is head. So head starts and then it ends. I have given spacing using tab key, but it is not necessary to use this spacing. This is just for understanding the code to make it readable. You can skip the spacing and write down everything in a single line also. That doesn't matter because HTML is going to read the tags. So all this spacing is just for making the code readable. So first of all, you need to write this much. You can write it and save it somewhere, or when you learn little more about HTML, you can use some text editors also which are available. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. So in these text editors, you can already find this basic template code written. Okay, so you don't have to write it down again and again. This is called boilerplate code. Now what is boilerplate code? In computer programming, boilerplate code or simply boilerplate are sections of code that are repeated in multiple places with little to no variation. In simple language, boilerplate code is any seemingly repetitive code that shows up again and again in order to get some result. We can save this code as a boilerplate code or as a template. There are two types of text editors available to you. Some of them are paid and some of them are free. For example, Notepad is free. So you can save this as a template and then you can simply copy the code and paste it, and then you simply have to write down the additional HTML tags and text whatever you want to enter. Okay, so once you finish writing this much, we save this file. Press Ctrl S. You can save this file with .htm or .html extension. Okay, so we'll write down .html and set the coding to UTF-8, which is the preferred encoding for all HTML files. Now run this file. View the HTML page in a web browser. Open the saved HTML file in whichever browser you want and just see the output. At present, if you run this file, you will not be able to see anything over here. It looks empty because we have not written anything in the code yet. The code is empty. So we'll write down something in the code so that we can see the output in the browser. So first of all, let's write down title. We'll enter some text in the title, save it and run on web browser. Press F5 to refresh. If I change this to uppercase, Ctrl S, click F5. See, the name changes. press Ctrl S, click, press F5. Now see, as soon as we enter the title, you will see the title over here. So this is your first HTML page. Hope you must have enjoyed creating this page, and hope you must be enjoying learning HTML too. It's very easy. It's not at all difficult. You will learn it very quickly. Just go through our videos and you'll master HTML in a very short span. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more such videos. If you have liked the tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.